Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangalore property. This is Lavish home number 49, a brand new independent house available for sale in RajaRajeshwari Nagar. Built on 30 by 50 BD approved Khata site. 30 feet wide tar road is there. Site is north facing. Door is east facing. All planned as per Vastu. So this is the entrance from the road side. Separate gate for the entrance. Parking gate is separate. From the parking you have this door. All teak wood doors and windows. Veneer polish work has been used for the interiors. Long car parking. Easily 4 to 5 cars can be parked. And this door will be fitted with a remote operation. Motorized sliding gate with remote control. Also you have a home office with a bathroom in the ground level. The house also comes with video door phone and CCTV camera, part of the deal. So this is separate entrance for the main house. In the corner, northeast corner, you have a place for landscaping. Small tree can be planted there. Complete granite cladding, Galaxy granite. East facing main door, 4 BHK triplex house with a home theater, proper home theater with all the acoustics and soundproofing done. Final finishing work is going on, so you can see some dust and unfinished work. Painting, polishing and bathroom fittings will be provided. And this is main door, still some carving work is yet to be done. Heavy teak wood door, foyer area with shoe cabinets. Italian marble flooring, protective sheets are covered for preventing scratches during course of construction. Wooden false ceiling. Five bedroom and 5 bathrooms totally, including the home office below. 6,000 square feet of super built up area. Ground plus 3 floors fully built. This is living room. High quality glossy acrylic sheets are used in many places. So living room has this TV unit, separate dining area. Above puja room, double high ceiling is given. Lift opens here in the dining from the parking. Also in the center of the staircase there is an atrium with skylight. Dining and partition work. Kitchen in the southeast corner with utility area. Property has own borewell as well as Cauvery water. Acrylic laminates have been used for the kitchen. Soft closing baskets. In the house all the light, fan, geyser, solar water heater, pressure pump is going to be installed. It is part of the deal. This is vertical pantry unit. Utility door, you can see glossy PU polish is given. Wide utility area with safety grill. And this is puja room here. Fully independent puja room with a proper 3-step gopura made on top. Veneer polished ceiling work, glass, and this is the gopura. Here you have a common bathroom and bedroom. This is first bedroom in the southwest corner. 2 side windows. And for the wardrobe, you can see this is a 3D laminate sheet with texture design. Sliding door for the wardrobe. For the loft, polished and veneer. Here you will have a countertop hand wash basin. This is the common bathroom. All bathroom fittings will be branded Jaguar and Hindware. This is the central atrium with a skylight in the center of the staircase. Circular design staircase is given with stainless steel and wooden railing work. We have reached the second floor. Second floor, there is a gallery along with this small living area. 2 large bedrooms, attached bathrooms and 1 very spacious balcony. Lift opens here. Also you can see to the right side there is a study room. Separate study area is there. This is second bedroom, roadside facing. Built-in cot, wardrobe, dressing, attached bathroom. Also bay window is there with sitting space. U-shaped window is given towards the road. Bathroom comes with granite flooring, ceiling level wall tiles, and you have this wooden and glass ceiling with backlighting. This is master bedroom in the southwest corner. Glass doors for the wardrobe sliding. Built-in cot, TV unit, attached bathroom. This is the bathroom here. Shower enclosure will be given in the corner, and you will have a proper vanity setup with mirror and countertop hand wash basin. Toilet will come on the left side, wall mounted. So you can see the flooring, there is a gap for the shower area. WPC materials are used, waterproof, for the inside the bathroom. Towards the northeast corner, you have the study room, further leading into the balcony. Side large window is given, and this is the balcony sit out area right in the northeast corner. Now we have reached the third floor. Third floor lift landing, and here is a skylight This floor you have 4th bedroom and a proper home theatre with all the soundproofing, lighting and acoustics. This is the master bedroom, 4th room. Same size bathroom as below floor. And this side you have the home theatre. Sound system and monitor projector needs to be purchased from your side. Soundproofing is given. Raised platform is made. All the wiring setup is there with these profile lights. And here in the northeast corner you have this balcony sit out area. Further ladder is given. Spiral ladder is given to reach the terrace on top. This is the terrace floor. Terrace floor, right in the southwest corner you have a storeroom, can be used as a laundry area. Now we are on the ground level. This is the home office setup. Large room with a attached bathroom. So this is Lavish Home 49 30 by 50 brand new independent house available for sale in RajaRajeshwari Nagar. All other details are mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.